Unlocking the power of Surefire, your key to English fluency. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unlock the mystery behind a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard, Surefire. If you've ever wondered what it means and how you can use it to sound more like a native speaker, you're in the right place. So, let's dive into the world of this intriguing word and add a new term to your English vocabulary arsenal. The word, surefire, is an adjective, and it describes something that is certain to happen or to achieve the desired result. Imagine something that cannot fail. That's a surefire thing. It's like having a key that will definitely open a lock, no doubts about it. The word conjures up an image of certainty and reliability. When you say something is surefire, you're filled with confidence about its outcome. Interestingly, surefire originates from the language of gunpowder and firearms. A surefire was a term used to describe a gun or a charge that would ignite reliably. In the days when firearms were less reliable, having a surefire was incredibly important. Over time, this term evolved beyond the world of firearms and began to be used metaphorically for any method or thing that was guaranteed to be successful or effective. Let's look at some examples to understand how surefire is used in everyday language. 1. Giving customers a free sample is a surefire way to increase interest in your product. 2. If you want to pass your exam, studying hard is a surefire strategy. 3. The comedian's joke was a surefire hit. The audience couldn't stop laughing. Notice how in each case, surefire suggests a high likelihood of success. Surefire often pairs up with certain words to form collocations. These are words that are frequently used together. Here are some common collocations with surefire: surefire hit, surefire success, surefire method, surefire way, surefire winner. When you use these collocations, you sound more fluent and natural in English. Adding surefire to your vocabulary can be a surefire way to impress others with your English skills. Try to use it when you're talking about something you believe will undoubtedly work or when giving advice that you think is infallible. Thank you for watching our video on the meaning of surefire. We hope you now feel confident using this term in your English conversations. Remember, learning new phrases and their meanings is a surefire method to enhance your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use surefire when you're next sure about success. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.